In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC accumulator in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it.
Before you start this job, you want to bring the vehicle to a local garage so that you can have the AC refrigerant extracted from the vehicle so that you can safely complete this repair.
Using a 13mm socket, take this nut off. Carefully slide the hose off. It's always a good idea to wear safety glasses in case there's any pressure in there, although there shouldn't be because you already had the refrigerant extracted. I'll take this hose off, use a 13mm socket. Slide this off and just push that out of the way just slightly. You don't have to move it too much. Take the other one off as well. Same 13mm socket. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. It slides off. Pull the wiring harness off. Right here, there's a small retainer that's on a stud. Take the nut off using a 10mm socket. And just slide the accumulator right out. Using a 16mm wrench, we're going to loosen up this sensor. Take it off the old one. Just set that aside for now. And using a 10mm socket, you want to loosen up that bolt and take this off. This one's pretty rotted, so this one just slides off. And take this shield and the lower shield. Slide that over. Just like that. Put the clamp around the center. Oops, this goes on the other way. And put the bolt in there. You don't want to tighten that too tight though, because you may have to move this around a little bit. We're going to transfer the stud over. Using a E7 socket or a reverse Torx, loosen up the stud. Take that out. Put that in the new one. Snug that down. That's good. Take a little bit of AC oil and put it on the O-ring. And take the sensor, slide it in place, and snug that down. Not too tight. Take these protective covers off. There we go. Pull that off. There's a new seal on there. So that's fine. Take that off. You can put a little AC oil on the seal. Slide that in position. Make sure the bracket's lined up. Put the nut on up top. The nut on down below. Snug the top one up. And tighten the bottom one. With that snug, then you can tighten that 10mm bolt that goes around the band and re-secure the wire retainer. Plug this in. Lock that down. Torque this nut to 12 foot-pounds. That's good. Before we put this hose on, you want to take the seal off. Just take a screwdriver or a pick. Get on the other side, take the seal off. Take a new seal, slide that on the hose, put a little AC oil on the seal, and line that up. Put the nut on. Snug this down. Torque this nut to 12 foot-pounds. And the last hose, take this seal off. Take a new seal. Put some AC oil on it. Slide it in place. Put the nut on. Tighten it down. Torque that nut to 12 foot-pounds. At this point, you can bring the vehicle back to the shop where you had the refrigerant removed and have them install new refrigerant.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.